she's definitely unique. She's offering her, not just her energy, her heart. I feel her energy is very pure, and I feel like I can trust her.
She also has a beautiful way of just stepping aside and letting the message and the gift do its work.
Hello, I'm Nora and I was born in Hungary. In an early age, I experienced a great loss, which put me in a self-healing journey. I got to learn and also teach different healing modalities, such as Reiki, yoga, Kundalini activation process, and Qigong. Besides that, I always felt truly connected with Mother Nature and the 5 elements. Right now, with all this precious and ancient knowledge in my hands, I feel ready to help you in your own healing journey, to finding harmony and also to find meaning in your life.
My healing experience with Nora, it has been magical. I had an accident while I was here. I recovered so fast that I could never imagine, but also I felt there was this emotional release, deep release, and I get more clarity about my life purpose. I have various physical reactions throughout the different sections, from feeling the energy flowing from my body, and also at times my body will shake, will tremble, or pulsating. I feel happier. I feel so much lighter, and obviously healthier. She's offering this fantastic healing. It's beyond words that I can describe. She's unique.
At the beginning, when we started the session, I was still a bit tense because obviously I had a motorbike accident, right? So my body went through an immense pressure and stress, and not just physically but emotionally. It was a bit difficult to digest what exactly happened. So she came over, she got me comfortable, I lay down, and she just told me to relax. I immediately felt that I was entering into this meditative state, and I just felt this enormous peace. At the very beginning, I was a bit skeptical, but then after seeing the benefits of such healing, I'm completely changed. I didn't just feel better physically, but I also felt so much better emotionally, mentally. I just felt that I was so much more balanced. I'm just happier.
So I booked a session with her, and it was a magical, beautiful experience. It really went beyond what I expected. I've gone to a lot of healers throughout the course of my life, but very few of them, if any, can I say that they have fully removed themselves from the process and truly been a conduit, a pure conduit for the message coming through. And I could feel within moments the energy moving through my body, and it was just flowing. I could feel where she was working, because wherever she was laying her hands, I'm assuming, I could feel the flow of energy, and it was actually quite pleasurable. And then afterwards, which I found to be even as powerful, if not more powerful, is that she does receive messages. I think she has a very special gift, one that I have not encountered, and I strongly recommend. I've been speaking of Nora To all of my friends, I believe her work is powerful, it's special, and it's very needed. I think a lot of us need this gentle touch, need this gentle reminder, need this gentle soothing in our life.